Yeah, buddy, we are here. Woohoo! What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another daily vlog. We're here at the one and only Hollywood Studios for the grand opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge for Disney World. Now, it looks like they already had let people on in, and look at where the crowd is at. All the way back to the touch points, and they've let everybody in, so they're already down Hollywood Boulevard. But if you guys are new around here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs the video up, ring the bell, become part of the one and only notification squad. It looks like we're just gonna make it on in. And holy macaroni. Wow. Here's a look at the mass herd. Yikes. If you're wondering what time it is 4:30. The park officially opens at 6. So these people must have gotten here at like 3 a.m. and pretty much like, you know, camped out.
We are excited you are here today to be among our first guests traveling to Black Spire Outpost.
Woo! We're going on in, we're heading on into Hollywood Studios. Here we go. The madness begins. Yeah, there's so many people. Woo! There's the entrance to Batuu, and there's a herd of cattle. So right now the time is 4:41. We're stopped here at Batuu. As you can see, there's tons of people way in front of us. They got here super duper early, but we're about to go on in because I think they might be letting in early. I don't know, I'm gonna let you guys know, but we're almost in Batuu for the grand opening of Disney World's Galaxy's Edge. So if you guys are around here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, thumbs the video up right now for the grand opening of Disney World's Galaxy's Edge. Super duper pumped. We're going in. Woo! Yeah! So exciting. How's it going? It's open! Finally! Here we go, baby! Woo! We are in, guys. The grand opening of Disney World's Galaxy's Edge. This is just gonna be insane today. We got here as early as we possibly could, and we weren't even in the front of the line. They let us in early. It's 4:55. They let us in at 4:55, and here come the Star Wars fans, the Disney fans. Here we are. Bright Suns! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Guys, this is absolutely incredible. Incredible. The herd keeps on coming.
It's not. Where are they all going?
Blue or green milk?
Whoa.
Anybody? Blue milk? Blue? Blue? Green? Blue? Blue? This is what it's about.
This is what it's about.
This is amazing.
We're hanging.
Really amazing. Attempting to cross this, it feels like crossing a river. I've literally waited for this day for so long, guys. So if you guys have not, please go ahead and thumbs the video up. We are here now in Batuu. Look at this. It just keeps coming. This is insane. This is why we're here. I wanted to show you guys this. It's just truly incredible right now to experience, seeing everybody come in, smiles on their faces. This is honestly amazing. So thank you guys so much for your support each and every single day. Love you guys, and let's go experience Batuu. Welcome to Batuu, everybody. Welcome to the outpost. We got stormtroopers up there. What is going on? This place is a madhouse, and it's so exciting to be a part of. We've got stormtroopers.
Overlord, anyone who is a threat to the First Order.
300-minute wait. Absolutely incredible. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Batuu, everybody. about 2 in a queue, waiting to get through. We think we're cool. Yeah.
So we found.
Bright suns, everybody. Bright suns. We're gonna head back in about 2 right now. It's about 6:45 here in the morning, and I think I want some blue milk. Blue milk sounds really good right now. Comment down below what your favorite is, or if you haven't tried it, comment down below what you think is gonna be your favorite. Let's go on in. Yes. Right now, but 2 actually has reached its capacity, so there's a virtual queue just to get in. We were gonna leave to you know, check out the queue, because the queues I heard is all the way in Sunset Boulevard. I'm gonna do that once we actually leave. But here's the Rise of the Resistance that will be open December 5th on Walt Disney's birthday. So December 5th, Rise of the Resistance will be open. The cool thing about opening day too is you get to see all this media that they're doing. It's behind the scenes. It's really kind of cool. They have the big official cameras. He's showing off his hand-built droid right there. There's lines everywhere, left and right. There's just people in every corner of this place. There's people sitting down waiting in lines. It's absolutely mind-boggling. There's a line that goes all the way over there that is for the shop right there. There's queues everywhere. It's insane. It's just a madhouse here. It is a madhouse. Well, we were gonna get milk, but let me show you the milk line. Again, guys, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opening day is all about lines. Check this line out. This is the milk line. This is the milk line. We've got stormtroopers right here. This is the milk line. Da 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 da. This is still the milk line. Dun dun dun. Milk line, milk line, milk line, milk. Just lines everywhere. Oh, we got a helicopter up there. Look at that. Practically the only thing without a line here is gonna be food, so we're gonna try the breakfast. I've never had the breakfast because it's opening day. There's no line. This is the only thing without a line here in Batu.
Bright Suns travelers, and welcome to Batu.
Here is my Bright Suns morning breakfast right here. It's got potatoes, it's got sausage, it's got eggs. I opted for this one just because the other option just didn't look like it was gonna fill me up. So I got this one, a more traditional breakfast in a way. It looks like it's kind of like a muffin. So yeah, this looks pretty good. This sausage has got a lot of flavor. I like that. Look at all of the people. There's so many people here.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, it's Ray again. Ray is just everywhere. Guys, it is Ray and Ray. If this doesn't warm your heart, I don't know what does, other than warm hugs from Olaf. The line is so long for the Millennium Falcon, they actually extended it so you can go backstage now. 80 minutes is the wait time right now. It was over 300 before. So that's not bad. At the beginning of the day, over 300. So it's not too bad right here. But as you guys saw, it's a pretty extended queue outside of the queue. Long way here on opening day. Pretty excited to see though. Before we carry on with this video, there's something I do in each and every single video. It's called jump around. Do you know what time it is? It's time to jump around.
Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump, 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 jump.
Subscribe. Batu. You headed on into the cantina. We are. You ready?
I am.
You want to introduce yourself to the vlog?
I am Dave from Randy and Dave.
Randy and Dave. Resort TV1 just hit 70,000. Congratulations. Hey. This is what I'm gonna get. It actually makes your mouth numb. We're gonna try that one right now.
Everybody, my hyperdrive is failing.
Why? We're losing power. Oh my god, the cantina is literally everything I imagine. The drinks are amazing. That one really makes your mouth down. Highly recommend if you guys can get it. It's amazing. Alright everybody, that is gonna be it for today's daily vlog. If you guys are new on here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, become part of the one and only notification squad. If I did miss anything, please comment down below because I do have an annual pass gonna be here each and every single day for you guys. So if you guys want to see something more specific, comment down below and I will do that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's daily vlog. And like always, bang, bang. See you later. Peace out from Batu. Yeah. Already know our way.
Chewy.